Bro, the amount of paper fucking dolls. God damn it. I just saw all the shit up there that I missed the first time.
Yeah, it did, Cable. It sounded slightly off.
I honestly think I probably got almost all the stuff here, so I'm good. Fucking mosquito looking thing. Oh, did you guys go downstairs behind the building?
Oh no, I saw it and I was meaning to do that. I just forgot. Because I got talking with Jake about shenanigans.
It's about that. There's water spiders.
Oh, good. Might just take some adjusting, Cable.